Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD tutorial how to select all and move objects in AutoCAD. So for example, you can draw a rectangle and I will use the copy command to copy this rectangle object. The next you can create circle in here, copy again to another area. Now if you want to select all objects and move, you can press Ctrl A to select all objects, and then you can use the move command, tab M, press enter, paste point, I will click here, and you can move to another area like into this point. Another option, if you want to select only the rectangle objects, all rectangles, you can use the select similar tools, click on the rectangle, right click, and then you can choose select similar, and now you can use the move command to move the object to this area. Also same, if you want to move the all circle, you can select the circle, right click, and then choose select similar. Use the move command to move the object like into here. Okay, that's it for basic AutoCAD tutorial, how to select all and move object.